Good afternoon everyone, a happy Vlogmas day 21. It's a cold one out today. I'm out for a walk and I just decided that I would start vlogging. My nose is so cold. I have Noah wrapped up like a little sheep. He's wearing his little onesie. I have about 15 blankets on him. It's just so cold. I'm wearing leggings with joggers on top and like I feel like I should have worn tights underneath. I'm just so cold. I'm a very cold individual anyway. Noah didn't have any of his breakfast this morning. He had like 3 mouthfuls and he didn't want any more. So I don't know, he's off his food a little bit. We had a much better sleep last night. Even though I look so tired, I feel a lot more rested. He started noticing the Christmas tree. I was only just saying like 2 days ago, Noah has no idea what the Christmas tree is. And last night, he was fixated on it and all the baubles and the lights. And he kept trying to grab them and touch the Christmas tree. So that might mean he's gonna enjoy the lights in town tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the shop right now. Remember we bought like, what you call them, scratch cards a while ago. We kept winning on them. We've still been winning on them, so every single time we win on them we just bring them to the whatever shop and just get the same ones, whatever the value is. Last night, the one that we got, we won €18 on it. So we just keep getting the scratch cards. I think we're just like breaking even, but it's fun. And until we don't win anymore, we're not going to get any more. So it's really fun because every time we get like 6, we're like, okay, we'll get like 2 scratch cards and then we might win like €18 the next time. Like we won €18 on this one and I won €15 on another one. So just keep, I don't know, just keep getting the scratch cards. It'll probably end at the end of Vlogmas. It'll be just like a fun little thing. I was to meet Jenna today. I was gonna meet her on Thursday, but we're gonna go see Christmas lights on Thursday with Paddy's family, his little cousins. One of his cousins is, there's 10 days between them. So the 2 of them will be like seeing the Christmas lights together for the first time. And they can make it a little tradition every year. And then his other little cousin, she's just over a year. I think it'll be nice for them to do it like every year, a little tradition to go see the Christmas lights together, the 3 of them, and maybe there'll be more. So I don't know what day I'm gonna get to see Jenna. The car is getting sensors done today, so I don't actually have the car today. I was talking about it yesterday that my car is now, not that it's no good, like, but it's just, it's not like a family car. And I kind of knew that when I was buying it, but I didn't buy it in the intentions of having a family very, very soon. Yeah, it's kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to get a new car, so we're gonna look into that in the new year. I'm not really rushing into buying a new car. I don't really, like, it'll do for now. We're both driving Paddy's car, which is like our car, it's a family car. And then I just use my car when I know I don't have to put the car seat in. Wow. Going off on a rant about a car. Yeah, so I think we're gonna look into getting a new one in the new year. Like, we're going to see what the story is with work with me, because I might be working from home, so I might not even need the car because I was going to drive into work. But I don't know what the situation is with parking, so then I was going to get the train. So I don't know what the story is. We're just going to play it by ear and see how we get on. Those little Christmas wreaths look really nice with the robins on them. So nice. Are you hungry? Okay. You happy now you're going to get out? You ready? We lift you up. Just realised I have like a completely black eye from mascara. I obviously didn't take off properly last night. So we're gonna have something to eat. Currently editing day 19's vlog and Noah's over there. He loves this thing. I do not appreciate the music that comes out of it, but it keeps him quiet, so I don't mind. He doesn't be in it for very long. He has a very short attention span being a baby, so I only get maybe like 10 minutes out of a minute. He already sounds like he's getting annoyed. And you've been in there 5 minutes. I'm watching Legally Blonde. I love this movie so much. I watch it loads because it's just such a great movie. Yeah, I'm sitting on the couch watching Legally Blonde and Noah is fast asleep on my lap, so I can't move for a little while. Cute little baby. He just fell asleep. I was on the phone to my mum and he just fell asleep on me. So I promise I have moved from the couch today. I just am trying to get a lot of work done, my own work, and then obviously trying to look after the baby. I think I managed to get my whole video edited. I just need to go over it just to make sure that it's running smoothly, that there's no errors in it, make the thumbnails rather, and do a few bits like that. So today I am just very much focused on work, because tomorrow I know I'm out all day. I might be able to get a second vlog done because I'm a day behind. I think I'm kind of a day behind this whole Vlogmas, but I'm out all day tomorrow, so I'm just not going to be able to do anything. And also I have a lot of forms to fill in for an insurance thing, so I'm going to do that right now, and then I'm going to have dinner, I'm going to have a shower. So yeah, I just feel like there's just been a lot of work going on today, and I'm just not really with the whole vlog situation. I also need to do a load of washing as well. Then I need to put away Noah's laundry, the usual rigmarole. Interesting fun stuff. Just out of the shower. I had such a relaxing shower. I didn't wash my hair because I'm gonna wash it in a couple of days time. What are you doing? Noah's sitting here beside me. Instead of eating his teething thing, which I've taken off him now and now he's given out, he's eating the string off it. Here you go, here you go. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to take it from you. Wow, don't touch his teething ring. I didn't realise he'd give out so much. You've taken things off him, like he's at that stage already and he's only 7 months. My cousin Dylan is coming home from London tonight. I'm so excited, I can't wait to see him. So I think tomorrow we're all gonna go, like I already said that my family aren't going into town, but I think he's gonna come with us. He wasn't initially supposed to come home this early, but just because of the cases in London, he wanted to get home just in case, you know, there's any like clamp down on travel or anything like that. And he had to do like a negative PCR test and stuff, so he's just been restricting his movements for the last like couple of days so that he can get home. He was supposed to have his Christmas party and he didn't want to go to that either, just because everything is just going crazy again at the moment. I'm really glad just to have him home now. So he's on an airplane at the moment and he should be landing in Dublin in an hour. Remember last week I got sent out a couple of things from Bare Minerals. They sent me this lip balm and then a lip care, like a lip care product. I can't remember the name of it. It was like a lip mask thing, but this is probably one of the best, and I mean best, lip balms I've tried in ages. It's just a clear lip balm. I can't even open it, and it's just saved my lips. They were so dry, they were a mess. I've just been using this since I got it and my lips are so soft. There's no dryness. This is like the best lip balm I've ever tried, and I've been trying to get like a good lip balm for so long. Anyway, I just thought I would let you guys know about that one. I still have mascara under my eye. I don't know why, considering I took it off properly last night. And I've had a shower. For whatever reason, I don't know, it's still there. It's the end of the night and I'm going to end my vlog right now. I hope you guys have had a lovely day. Tomorrow's vlog will be probably a little bit more fun. I think I might be doing a little bit more tomorrow than I was today. I just, like I said, had a lot of work on, and I was obviously spending a lot of time with Noah. I was trying to edit bits and pieces and reply to emails, and I had to do invoices, and I had to fill out the insurance forms. So a lot of stuff was going on today, but I hope that there was some sort of interesting content for you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever in the world you're watching this, and I will talk to you all in tomorrow's vlog. Mwah. Night night.